Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove your password in your computer password in Windows 10. Right, so that's what we are going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I'm already on my computer right here. So I just want us to come to our start menu, and then I want us to click on settings. Right, so now this should be opening up. So now I want us to click on accounts, right, and then this should be opening up. Now I want you to click on sign in options right there, right, and then this should be opening up. So now as you can see, I want us to remove our password, so click on password, and then as you can see, your account password is all set. Right, so now click on change, and then it will ask you to insert the current password. So I'm just going to insert mine, right, and then once you insert yours, just click on next. And then now to change it, you don't, since you want to remove everything and then remove the password, you don't have to insert any, just click on send, on next, sorry, click on next, and then next time you sign in, use your new password, so just click on finish. Right, and then now once, as you can see here, your account doesn't have a password. Right, so as you can see, you will remove your password or your computer password. So yeah, that's how you can remove your computer password in Windows 10. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.